Lying on the western coast of India, Mumbai is the financial and cultural hub of the country. In the midst of this dynamic and highly competitive environment, two young lawyers established a full-service law firm in 2004, Universal Legal. Over the years, they have built strong bonds with their clients and also work in collaboration with a network of associates spread across the globe. But how did this all begin?
So we were about 28 years old. We were working in a large city law firm, and it was at that time one of the largest corporate law firms in Mumbai. Now there are several at this point of time, but both Apurva and I are very entrepreneurial by nature, and we really wanted to set up something. We both do not come from legal backgrounds, we come from business backgrounds. For us, it was a big step to do something on our own.
Last 15 years has been for us a path-breaking exercise, starting with only 5 years experience and starting on from post 5 years qualification. It was like a dream come true for most of us. Because very few lawyers actually break up and start their own law firm after 5 years of practice, and most of them wait for Whitehead to come on board. But for us, we started off small, steady. It took us 3 months to get our first client in, another 6 months to get our first 10 clients in, and that has been soaring high above, to get all the corporates in, the Chennai's, and start getting proper legal deals and legal transactions to do.
So Neha and I think both started our careers at Universal Legal. I like to call myself one of the founding interns, and Neha followed a year later. So I think we're very much ingrained in the DNA of Universal Legal. The journey hasn't always been easy, given that none of us come from legacy practices. We're all first generation lawyers.
I think both of us have actually grown with the firm. So while the firm grows, so does our career, and I think that goes parallel. And we've also been able to, I guess, being there from the right start of the organization, been able to set up the systems that the juniors can then follow, and the processes. And we've learned along the way, of course. It's been a hit and trial in the initial years. But I think now we're at a place where we're comfortable and we know what to do.
So Universal Legal, it's more about the people who make this place what it is, to be honest. That's what it is. Being here for more than 6 years, it has not only taught me about law, but also taught me about dealing with people and delivering and performing as per their expectations, and maybe beyond that as well.
I hope everyone likes everything about working here, because given that Neha just said that we set up the systems, but I think it's just a very sort of easy environment. I don't think there's a day that I wake up and I may dread a particular type of work that I have to do, but I don't dread coming to the office ever.
Everything about Universal Legal is good. The fact is that we bond more as a team of workplace, and in workplace really speaks volumes, in the sense that we can go out for a drink together. We don't have fixed time work schedule. We firmly believe in the concept to come, finish your work and leave.
I think it's like a very flat structure. Like, we don't have much hierarchy, and because it's relatively there are lesser associates, you get to do more work, I guess, at a more junior level as well.
I think it's a home away from home in that sense, and it's as much as a part of our life and routine as it is anything else. So
yeah, we're a family essentially. We're there for each other, and we like to think that the rest of the team feels the same way.
It's really nice. It's not stressful in a bad way. It's good, we learn, and our colleagues are always there to support us. So it's not a very competitive environment like other firms. It's more about building each other up rather than tearing each other down. So it's a very positive work environment.
Universal Legal does great, tremendous M&A and other transactions cross-border, particularly in the UK, and we're very proud to be able to work with Mohit Kapoor and his team at Universal Legal.
The synergy between Universal and Indus has always been very, very positive, in the sense that they're always very oriented towards problem solving rather than creating problems, which you generally face with a lot of law firms in India.
Well, we all have a succession plan, and for us to start with 15 years ago, it would have been very easy to name the firm after our own selves, our own names. We took a conscious call to have a generic name which would reflect the true ethos of the firm, which is that we are universal, we are everywhere. We are not only Mumbai, we're based in Mumbai, but we have associates across India. We're part of the Legal Network International. It's a large global network of international law firms. Our idea is to leave a legacy so that the people who work with us, they grow, and someday they take over where we are today.